Okay, we're over here on the east side of the house. These are the HVAC condensing units, and we've got trees planted around them, and that's no good. Okay, you're supposed to be able to get around these things and work. All right, so we don't have enough service access. I'm thinking this is the primary bedroom suite. This is the downstairs, and this is the upstairs. I'm using my astute powers of observation and deduction. That's what we're using. My astute powers of deduction. These are the disconnect boxes. This one really is kind of cutting close. The disconnect boxes should be labeled. And I'm going to take still images inside of all three of these. And it just kind of gives us a clue of what we're looking for. This is the laundry. That's the clothes dryer vent. These are your dirty coils. Your clothes dryer pushes out lint onto your air conditioning system. Clothes dryer pushes out lint onto the air conditioning system. Now these two units have anti-theft Schrader valve caps. Check that out on the dictionary. This one, they just left them off. They're all the same year. They're all built in 2000. Okay, is that right? 1920, not 2000. 2020. Okay, so they're all 3 years old. These have anti-theft Schrader valve caps, and this one doesn't. Okay. What else have we got? Keep looking. Well, we got 3 disconnect boxes over here. We got a 4th disconnect box. They're not labeled. Well, I know this one goes. This one goes to these 2 units. No, this one goes to this unit. That's pretty easy to figure out. This one is probably a newer one. And this one's probably, one of these is probably decommissioned. Okay. And what we're looking at is we've got a 2-ton, a 3-ton, and a 4-ton system. All about SEER 14 based on their age. This one is overfused. The fuse is larger than the manufacturer specifies. These 2 are underfused. The fuses are smaller than the manufacturer specifies. Okay? So what do we learn? We're in front of a clothes dryer vent. Should be about 12 inches from a wall. Dirty coils. We do not have anti-theft Schrader valve caps. Overfused, underfused, underfused. And they all use 410A. 410A. Which is subject of lively discussion. Because that's what they have right now, but they're no longer manufacturing units that operate on 410A. They're no longer manufacturing 410A. I think you can still import 410A refrigerant. They're no longer manufacturing parts, specific parts. Probably fan parts you're probably okay with. But, some parts are compressors, for example. You won't be able to get compressors for these units if you wanted to change them out that way. So that's what we learned. Overfused, underfused, underfused. Dirty coils do not have anti-theft Schrader valve caps. The electric service disconnects are not labeled. In fact, the units aren't labeled. I'm just guessing which unit goes where.